Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you official ChatGPT app not working and how to fix that. So let's get started. So if your official ChatGPT app is not working, you have to follow this easy step. So first of all, search for your ChatGPT. Okay, just press and hold to the app. Click on that I button. It will open the app info section of that app. So here, scroll down, go to the storage, click on clear data, just clear the existing data. Then here you have to open it again. If it's work, then fine. If it does not work for you, just check for an update. Okay. So go to Chat GPT app. Okay. Just download or update from here. Okay, it will work. So by this way you can fix it. And if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.